Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my 46th VBA 2010 tutorial. And this tutorial is going to show you how to use checkboxes in your user forms. So, checkboxes are just simple tick boxes. If we insert a new user form, so they're this one here, checkbox. The difference between them and an option box is you've probably seen on forms yourself. Option boxes, you have them on and you can only click one of them. Check boxes, you can tick as many as you like. So let's put a few of these on here. I'm just going to have 3. And then 3. And then just put a label. Say, let's just put in how many courses or which courses would you like. So the idea of this is just a little one that you send out for catering. I don't know why that came into my head, I'm not a caterer. So let's have starter, main, dessert, and obviously depending on how posh you are, you might want to put some more checkboxes on there for extra courses. But there we go. So, and then let's just put a command button in. It says confirm. And let's change the background color because again the background color is very boring. So let's make it a nice pinky color. That's lovely. And let's make all of them have a background of a nice pinky color. Ooh, that's a bit bright. Let's not go too crazy. And right, and then let's just change our font again. You might have noticed that I'm very anal about the way user forms look. I hate it when you open up someone else's spreadsheet and it's got just boring grey user forms in it. Try to just don't do it like this, obviously, because having bright pink and stuff isn't very professional. But if you put on like decent colours or like a company's colour scheme, maybe, then they can start to look really professional. If your company's colour scheme's pink and yellow, then obviously pink and yellow will look professional. But caption. If we delete the caption, it's just not going to have any title at all. So let's just get rid of that. So let's just press play, and as you can see, I can tick and untick each one individually. They don't. By ticking one, it's not turning one off now. So I can choose to have a main or dessert. I can choose to have just a main. I can have a starter and a main. Or if I'm feeling really crazy, I can have a starter and a dessert. Just going mental now, but and then similarly with option buttons, let's just take this confirm, and then let's just have on our spreadsheets, so starters, mains, desserts, and then let's just name these ranges, so starter, range, main range, and dessert range. Make sure you spell desserts wrong. And our starters range hasn't put itself in. There we go. So starters range, main range, and then we just want to go if user form 1 dot checkbox 1 dot value equals true. Ooh. And put a then on the end of our if. And then if that's true, then we want to make our range more. Say this workbook dot sheet 1 dot range starter. underscore range dot value equals, and then let's just copy this +1, just increment it, and if, and then we just want to copy and paste this, and once again, so this one we want to change to checkbox 2, and if checkbox 2 is right, then we want to be doing main underscore range equals main range +1, and then checkbox 3 we want to be doing dessert underscore range, and increment on that one. So let's close this off, and just got a glimpse of my my tutorial plan there. Let's just go into our user form, press play. So I'm going to have a start and a main, press confirm, and then it doesn't work, and then we work out why. Let's just press stop. It's because I've called it starters range. So let's just change that and that. So start out main, confirm, and it's going to put 1 in there. Next person comes along, main and dessert, puts them in there. Next person has all 3 because they're greedy. Next person has start and a main. Next person has just a main. Start and main, and then finally the crazy person has a start and dessert. And it's just going to count how many we need. So that's just a really quick way of showing you how checkbox work. Hopefully that makes sense. If you've got any questions Userforms so far, just drop them in the comments, let me know, and I'll try to get back to you. Well, that's going to be it for this tutorial. You saw a glimpse of my plan, so let's look at our next one. So next in the plan is list box. So next tutorial I'll be showing you how to use a list box. Thanks for listening, and I hope to catch you there.